Oh,
Anong tagat ko si Josie? Ha? Hindi sila magpunta doon. Andre! Punta.
Dito. Lagay mo siya pa guys. Troll towel. No. I don't like troll towel. Girls versus boys. I'm gonna play this game. Girls versus boys.
Picture ka.
Boy or girl? Of course boy, because I am a boy. Eh. Oh, that girl's playing as boys. My camera movement is different as hell. Oh! What the heck? I fall. Oh boy. Whee! Okay, jump. Let's cross the bridge. Damage. There's boys in both sides, ayo. Ah! No! I hate this game. Feel word. Mwah. Oh, what's that? Whee! Okay. I don't want to fall there again. I don't know what that. This is difficult. This is difficult. Oh, we're in girls' sides. Now we're in girls' sides. Let's go to the boys' side again. Let's go. I'm gonna make this to the zombie. Whee! Oh! No! I hate this game. I keep falling. Oh, that's good. That guy's trying to troll. Not in my way.
Sakay chapit nagpa-content lang.
It's gonna be easy again. I'm banging boys, girls. Boing, back. No, it's trolling me. No, people's not gonna troll me. Aha! LOL. Loser. Okay, I'm getting bad.
Basta may
I thought that's gonna work.
pang-tulog mo lang yung sabi.
Oh. Boink! Hit my margarita. Dun. What the heck? Oh, that's a boy.
Tanong mo ate kung may biodata.
Look! Oh, I almost died. The girls and the boys side. Supposed to be in the girls side, so the girls on the boys side. May tanggang kay nanay.
So, alam na ni Itlog na legit yung
Ha?
niya. Alam na ano. Sino nagsabi? Tita.
Okay, we're in boys side again.
Parang nasabi kay Franco, lulukoy ko pinasasa.
Oh no! I hate this game. I thought it was gonna be the girls. One's gonna open first. Oh my god, I can't breathe.
Pag nagka-jowa yun.
Dun 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 dun. I don't know how I did that, but that was sick.
Kasi na nga.
To!
Bonk, bonk, coin, 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 gok, gok, gok. Again, being
Hirap
sus.
magtangay, ikaw kakain.
I'm gonna have my mic.
Kaya mo naman. Adi tayo.
Mas kaya doon sa kwarto at malamok.
Ayoko. I'm making a video about
Saan ba
Roblox.
si ano? Saan ba nakapesto si Randy?
Tayo, sa ano lang yun. Accounting. Hindi mo sa HR na.
Siya nga magpapasa eh.
Yung accounting nga yun, hindi yung sa HR.
Magpapasa nga siya, magpapasa sa HR. Sa kanya ibibigay. Teacher, ang nanay ng teacher namin elementary. Si Mrs. Mabilangan. Si math teacher.
Okay.
Kapatid nun, si ano,
Eh pala si Lisel. Lisel Mabilangan. Yung sa papa yun.
Boing.
yung panganay, si ano.
This is the longest video I did.
Ewan ko, baka chewin nyo nung pizza. Yung kakilala ng tigkat ng kain ko.
I need to get past.
Lani ba yun? May Lani Mabilangan ba yun?
Isa lang, isa si Romel. Ano yun si Romel?
Buol.
Ah, my rages, guys. My rages, guys. My rages, guys. What's this? I've never been here.
Ang init!
Ah, I'm so squeezy. I'm so squeezy. What's this? What the heck is that thing? What is it going on?
Kailan ba uupo ang go? July?
Wee, wee, wee.
July?
No, I thought I was gonna get there.
Ano, di ba peso sa San Antonio sa 13? Doon daw sila CJ. Doon ako pinapupunta sa 13.
Ah, sa kanila?
Sa ano, doon daw sila tutulog ng 12. Naghahanda daw sila kahit taon-tay.
Ako daw magbabantay.
Doon, nagdoon daw ako doon na red shirt.
What the heck I did?
13.
I mean, I shrug. That's
Baka di
not
sa papasok
mine.
ng 13.
Pero sinabi mo
This thing is so glitchy, bro.
Sabi niya, ate, doon tayo sa 13 ha, sa San Antonio, Quezon. So, sige, i-chat kita.
No!
Bago sa 12, doon na sila matulog. Gusto
I'm
niya
making
doon
a
sa natulog.
video.
Hindi, mas gusto niya doon ang lugar dyan sa dyan.
Dito sila dito.
Oh, you make the video?
Yes, about Roblox.
Ah, ay, yeah, tamo. Tamo, sira.
Siranan eh.
Tamo.
Ang tigas ng ulo mo eh.
Inaangat eh, angat eh. Angat, angat. Isid ka kasi ng isid eh. Okay, love you.
Be quiet.
Mahilig ka kasi upuan.
Be quiet.
Huwag lang uulan mga 13.
Be quiet. I'm making a video. Shut up. Shut up.
Baka pag pupuntahin niya yung mga biyanan.
Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ano, papaluto na.
Sa paluto lang doon sa kapatid ni ano.
Be
Sir
quiet,
Melvin.
ma.
Oo, karinderya eh. Sarap ba? Ah. Ay. Ano yan?
Walang biyahe data.
Patingin.
No!
Babo mo. Oh? Asan yung dito yung
Pumili ka. Oh,
If I fall, I'm gonna end this video.
Oh, bigyan mo folder.
I didn't even get past to the others.
Asa mo na yun? Hindi mo na kanin. Kain ka na.
Mama, malambot pa yan. Kano
Kunti
na
ng
yan?
tubig doon. Hindi yung malambot. Akala mo lang malambot kasi.
I don't want to fall because I want to continue the video. 10 minutes video, guys. I'll never make this video make it so far, guys.
Di sila ulo mo.
What the?
Sabi mo kay Chop.
No! 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 Thank God I didn't fall. Thank God, bro. I thank God. I didn't fall. Slippery time. Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy. No! Ending the video. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.